Kitty Pies, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to do a huge book haul. So basically, first of all, I deserve a pat because I'm reading a lot of books and I'm implementing all of those formulas in my day-to-day life, and I'm so proud of that. So basically, coming back into this video, I'm going to do a huge book haul as the title suggests, but I've ordered from 2 different websites. All the timestamps will be mentioned here so that if you want to just skip to that part, you can skip, I don't mind. So without any further delay, now let's get into the video. In the month of June, I've ordered through Flipkart, and yes, we're going to start this haul with Flipkart because mostly I do order, a lot of books through Flipkart, so that's the reason. It's just, I'm paying gratitude to Flipkart. Yeah, just kidding though. This is the first book that I've ordered through Flipkart and I've completed reading. This is Because Life is a Gift by Disha. If you just need a one-line review or if you want to know how I felt after reading this book, then here it is. After reading this book, my eyes were filled with tears and my heart was filled with pride, and that's it. It's not some quotation that I'm using, because if you do follow me up on my Instagram, I do write a lot of quotes, but this is that book. It's that level book. It tells about 15 differently abled people who are in India and achieved a lot. So I think it's a must buy for all the beginners out there. And well, this is from non-fiction genre in motivation. The second book is a cult classic, that is this Wuthering Heights. Okay, so I really want to read this book, but I know it's a gothic fiction and I'm suffering with typical and scary nightmares these days. So that's the reason I'm keeping this book aside for now, but I'll definitely read this book. The third book and the last book that I've ordered through Flipkart in the month of June is this Exam Warriors by Narendra Modi. I just bought this book because of the title of the cover and because it was written by Modi. And well, just look at this. And there are a lot of illustrations in it and the pages are so good and I can't wait to dig deep into this. I know it's like a very normal and light read for me, maybe. I'm not too sure, but I really want to get deep into this book. The first book is this Chetan Bhagat's The Girl in Room 105. So basically, I particularly love Chetan Bhagat for his quotes and his posts upon Instagram. I know he's a very big author, but people have different opinions upon this particular author. So I just thought, let me pick one book, and that's the reason I bought this one. And this is a fictional book, and I can't wait to dig deep into his writings and this book and to make my mind whether he's a good author for me or not. So the next one is a recommendation through a booktuber, bookstagrammer and book blogger, that is Anchal Akka Libro Review. So basically, she took a great initiative upon her Instagram account, that is she goes live every day at 2:30 p.m. IST and 9 at the night. So basically what she's got to do in those live sessions are, it's like a program that is dear. I'm just going to break them and saying it, but it is dear, which means drop everything and read for 15 minutes, and later you can ask her questions, and you can also participate in those particular live sessions both at 2:30 and 9. I'll leave all the details in the down description box for you. And well, on the first day of that program, in the first live session, which means 2:30 p.m. wala live session, I've been participating in it. If you want to participate in those particular live sessions, you can just send her a request so that she can accept that request. Of course, she will. And then you can chat with her. I did chat with her for about 6 minutes. It's a great conversation. I would highly recommend you to follow her upon Instagram and YouTube channel as well. So in one of her recommendations videos about books, she recommended this series in which they contains 2 books called Wildcard and Wildcard 2 by Asfiya Rahman, if I'm not wrong. So basically, this is about a girl who want to participate in Wimbledon, and I really want to dig deep into it because these both are very thin. So that's the reason I want to start this. And by the way, this is my first book series that I'm going to read. The next book is a very popular book throughout the Bookstagram in people's mind and heart as well. That is this book called The Hate You Give by Angie Thomas. People have such an awesome opinion and positive reviews regarding this book, and I'm sure I will really like this book, and I won't be get disappointed with this read. Okay, the book that I'm going to show you now is such a steal, okay? Because can you imagine a book which contains 536 pages in it and it just costs you 125 bucks? Yes, it's true. That is the cult classic, The Complete Novels of Sherlock Holmes. You can see how thick this book is, and this is just for 125 rupees. It's a fictional book, of course. I can't wait to read this book. I know it takes me a lifetime to complete reading this book. So basically, the book that I'll be talking now is a memory for me. I bought this book because of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. I personally like him a lot, and he has acted in his last movie, that is Dil Bechara. It's going to be streamed on Hotstar very soon, and it's about a book. Basically, a book is going to be like, a movie. You know what I'm talking about? So yeah, that is, of course, you might know it. That is The Fault in Our Stars by John Green. You can see this. This is the reason I'm disappointed, and I bought this just because of the memory of Sushant Singh Rajput, that it will be there with me anytime. So, but I'm so disappointed with this book, but I'm sure I won't be disappointed with the movie. So now I'm going to tell you what are the bookmarks and letters that I've received through both of the websites, which are Flipkart and Amazon. I think I shall be starting with Flipkart. I've received only one bookmark, yeah, unfortunately. That is this one. It's yellow, such a bright color, called as Piss Puss Boom. It's such a crazy one, okay? It's the only bookmark that I have received. I have received two bookmarks through Wildcard book series. So we have two, and they also sent me this letter, and it's so cute, man, because they have written my name, Dear Priya Saladi ji. Not because they gave me some respect, but because they have mentioned my name. I'm so happy. And you know what? They have sent two sachets, sanitizers. I'm like, oh, I can still smell the fragrance of it, and those were in my room, so I can't go and get them right now, but I'll insert a pic right here. This is the last and the big bookmark that I've ever had, and that is by Amazon. I've received this for the book Sherlock Holmes, I think so. And that's it, guys. This is the end of this huge book haul. Hope you thoroughly enjoyed this video. If you didn't, please do click the like button, share, comment and subscribe. Please stay at home and stay safe. Bye.